Wait a minute. It didn't happen in 2020, did it? Surely not. Surely not. No. No, it definitely didn't.
Yeah, we're two-time boys. Wait. My fucking leg! It's not even in the thing! Fuck me! There we go! Yeah!
Hi guys, it's Smay, or Sam, here. Unfortunately we captured little footage of this year's Mop Fair. When we arrived we kind of realised there wasn't a huge change in rides, and in all honesty most of us old men just wanted to go to a local pub and chill out there instead. We kind of knew the Mop Fair POVs would come to an end eventually. There was discussions way back in 2019, but we managed to squeeze out a few more videos, so we managed to get to 2023 in the end, which is quite impressive. Whilst I'm not going to rule out Mop Fair content on our channel, I think it's unlikely we'll be making any Mop Fair PO videos in the traditional sense. Our first Mop Fair video is almost 9 years old, which I think is crazy. We enjoyed making every single one of them, and I really appreciate the engagement we've received from them, with some of our Mop Fair videos being the highest viewed on our channel and receiving the most engagement from the community. If you want Mop Fair content, and I'm sure there's plenty of it on YouTube or TikTok, even Facebook for all I know. If you want our Mop Fair content, then all previous years that we've done are available on the channel, so do check them out if you have the time. My best advice though is to actually experience this unique and enjoyable event for yourself. Mop Fairs happen all across the UK every year and aren't just exclusive to Tewkesbury. Finally, I appreciate you guys sticking around for this long and listening to me mumble away. I've got a 20-second clip which I did capture from this year. It's a very simple clip, but I hope you enjoy it nonetheless. I'll see you in the next video.